Subject. He. Okay. What is the predicate in this sentence? Running or was running? See, everything other than the subject is predicate. Everything other than the subject is predicate. Subject and predicate. What is the predicate in this sentence? Was running is the predicate. Was running is the predicate. What is the key predicate word here? What is the key predicate word? Most important predicate word. What is the most important predicate word? Why is it most important predicate word? The key is common, running is common. This alone is changing. So we say it is the key predicate word. Most important predicate word in this sentence. Running is common. He, they are common. So this is the predicate. What is the subject in this sentence? He. What is the predicate in this sentence? Was to run. See, it appears like this. You will think that was to run is the predicate. Actually, this is not the predicate. There is no predicate in this sentence. In this sentence, there is no predicate. In this sentence, there is predicate. What is the difference? What is the difference between this sentence and this sentence? In one sentence, there is predicate. Another sentence, there is no predicate. What is the difference? What is the difference? Can you see any difference? Can you say this key predicate word was is flanked by subject and a word that denotes action. This running denotes action. This is subject. On one side there is subject, and on the other side there is a word that denotes action. So, was reveals the nature of the subject. Was running is the verbal phrase. They together give one meaning. Was running together gives one meaning, but the key predicate word reveals the nature of the subject. As it is near the subject, it reveals the nature of the subject. If you look at this sentence, on one side there is subject, another side, at the middle there is was, another side is to run. To run does not indicate action. To run does not indicate action. It is so the key predicate word. See, we think it is the key predicate word, but it does not reveal anything. The predicate cannot predict anything. Predicate cannot foretell anything. The predicate cannot say anything in advance. The predicate can reveal the present and the past. The predicate can reveal the present and the past. It cannot talk about the future. So, what is the meaning? He was to talk yesterday. He was to talk yesterday. He was to run yesterday. But he did not run due to some reasons. Due to rain or something, he might not have run. That is why we say he was to run. Otherwise, he must have said he ran yesterday. Actually, he did not run. That is why we say he was to run. But he did not run due to some other reasons. So it is the predicate does not reveal any action. So this word is this to run is called verb infinitive. Grammarians call this verb infinitive. Verbal phrase. They together give one meaning. They together give one meaning. They cannot be changed. See, you cannot change to running. To running. It is impossible. You cannot change like this. You cannot inflect this word. To ran. It is also not possible. It is also not possible. Because it is an infinitive. It goes on endlessly. It goes on endlessly. Action never takes place. Action never takes place. So, what is the difference? What is the difference between this sentence and this sentence now? Can you explain the reason for it? Can you explain the reason for it? See, we have to give an explanation for anything and everything. Without giving an explanation for this, we shall not proceed further in grammar. We must say why it is not a predicate, why this was is different from this was. Why is this was different from this was? We must tell. What is the difference? The difference is this verb, this functions, two other functions verb, the function as predicate. Here it is not functioning as predicate because the two infinitive converts this was into an inner predicate. Converts or induces. This verbal phrase induces the was to be a defined predicate. Defined predicate or inner predicate. Inner predicate. It does not reveal any action. So this is making the verbal infinity is making the was an inner predicate. Inner predicate. So it is not revealing action. We understand? We understand? As it does not denote action, this key predicate word does not reveal anything. Does not reveal anything. The predicate cannot predict anything. See, future things the predicate cannot tell. Predicate cannot foretell anything. Predicate cannot guess anything. It will reveal the fact, the present and the past only. So there is uncertainty in this matter. He may have fun, but here he did not fun. So this is almost enough. What is the predicate in this sentence? What is the subject in this sentence? What is the subject in this sentence? What is the predicate? Where running. So where is the key predicate word? Okay? Key predicate word. They were to run. What is the subject here? They. Whether this is predicate or not? Whether where to run is predicate or not? Whether this is predicate or not? Whether the question is whether where to run predicate or not? This is predicate. Whether this is predicate or not? This is predicate. Whether this is predicate or not? Whether this is predicate? Whether it is predicate or not? The question is whether it reveals the nature of the subject. If it reveals the nature of the subject, then it is predicate. If it does not reveal the nature of the subject, it is not predicate. So whether it reveals the nature of the subject, yes or no? Yes. How? What do these words reveal? They reveal nothing. If they ran, see they ran. We would have said like this, they ran. As they did not run, we say they were to run. But due to some rain or other things, they did not run. So it is not revealing any action on the part of the subject. So there is no predicate in this sentence. There is no predicate in this sentence. See, you have to identify the predicate in every sentence. You must tell whether there is a predicate in the sentence or not. If there is a predicate, it must reveal something about the subject. Then, what is the subject in this sentence? Okay. Whether he is running is a predicate or not. He is running is a phrase. They give one meaning. They together give one meaning. They together give one meaning. So it is a phrase. Whether this phrase is a predicate or not. Very good. It is a predicate. Whether it is a predicate or not. He is to run. He is to run today evening. After a glass of waste, he is to sing, run. Will he run? Will he he run? We don't know. There is uncertainty. We don't know. So, whether there is a predicate here, is there any predicate here? Whether there is any predicate or not, whether there is any predicate in this sentence, he is to run. He is to run today. Whether it indicates any action? No. It does not indicate any action. This to run is present with you. It is conversing. This is into an inner predicate. Functionless predicate. You understand? Functionless predicate. So they are running. They are running. What is the subject here? Are running. Whether the are running is predicate or not? Predicate or not? Are running is predicate or not? Running is predicate or not? Predicate means whether it reveals action or not. Whether it reveals action or not. Are running. They say they are running. So it is revealing action. So it is predicate. They are to run. They are to run. Whether it is predicate or not. What is the subject here? They are to run. What is the predicate here? Are to run. This is actually this looks like this phrase looks like predicate. Actually, it is not a predicate. They are to run today. They may run or may not run. So it goes on endlessly. It goes on endlessly. So they may not run. Usually, they may not run. So no action is taking place. Two boys, please come. Two boys. By looking at these boys, I can say they belong to a class or school because their form is similar. Their uniform is similar. They have similar uniform. So we say their form is similar. Uniform is similar. They appear similar. They appear similar. Are they similar? Internally, intrinsically they are different. Intrinsically they are different boys with different characters. But externally they appear similar. Form appears similar. You understand? Yes. Eyes. You meet eyes. It will become water. Eyes will become. If you heat eyes, it will become water. If you cool eyes, water, what will happen? You will get back ice. You will get back ice. So they are changing their form. They are changing their form. Internally they are not changing. Their appearance is changing. Here, this there, and this there appear similar. Outwardly, they appear similar. But internally, they are not similar. They are not similar. Intrinsically, they are not similar. One where indicates action, another where does not indicate action. One where reveals the nature of the subject, another where does not reveal the nature of the subject. So it does not indicate action. See, I have not come across many things in English grammar. If I get a better explanation, I will tell you. Otherwise, we have to conclude that this is the explanation for this. If I come across any other better explanation, I will reveal that to you. You understand the difference now? Understand the difference now? Simply by looking at the verb-like particles, we should not conclude that as predicate. You must understand the whole meaning of the sentence. You have to see the whole meaning of the sentence and then conclude whether something denotes action or not. Whether a word denotes action or not. So the environment is important. The environment of the predicate, key predicate word is important. See, in the last class, I showed you an experiment. What experiment? I mixed water, salt in water and stirred it. What happened? What happened? Water, salt dissolved in water. Okay? Salt interacted with water. Salt interacted with water and dissolved in water. When I mixed with the salt with the coconut oil, what happened? What happened? What happened? Nothing happened. The salt remained as an inert substance. Salt remained as an, it did not interact with the coconut oil. Similarly, with certain words, the key predicate word becomes inert. So it all depends upon the surroundings, environment. So you have to look into the whole sentence to find out to identify the predicate in a sentence. Can you now identify the predicate in the sentence? See, he was running. What is the subject here? What is the predicate here? What is the predicate? Everything. Was running. Everything other than the subject is predicate. Here, what is the subject here? Whether this is a predicate or not? Whether this predicate was to run, whether this is a predicate or not? Whether this is predicate or not? Yes or no? Yes. I said this is not a predicate and this is predicate. It does not indicate action, so it is not a predicate. It indicates action, so it is predicate. What about this sentence? They were running. They were running. What is the subject here? Whether this predicate or not? They were running. Oh, okay. Predicate. They were to run. Whether this predicate or not? Predicate. They were to run yesterday, but they did not run. What is the meaning? So action does not take place. Action did not take place. So it is not a predicate. So whenever there is this infinitive, that phrase will not indicate any action. That cannot be taken as considered as predicate. That cannot be considered as predicate. Okay?
Yes.